Hi there, we're Mary and Reed Isaacson, and once again, Reliable Plumbing has saved us. We had a problem in our shower with something stripping out because of the wonderful water situation in San Juan Bautista. And they managed to solve that problem without digging into the wall, tearing out the tile. They're wonderful, miraculous, we've used them before, can't say enough great things about them.
Yeah, you did the work, man. It looks good.
And Greg is the
Greg.
man.
Greg did it last time. Problem we had, he jumped in here and fixed it.
Oh,
and
yeah,
I'm glad he's the man that showed up this time. Pardon me. Yeah, very happy with it. Thank you. Good job, man. Good job.